Hi guys, I'm Ron Cardillo from SoCap USA. I'm here with Diana Cardillo, and we're here to give Damiana a full head of cold hair extensions. We're going to transform her look like that. So we color matched. The color we're going to use is T6DB2, but before we actually apply the hair, a very important step is you have to wash the hair 3 times, and we developed a special wet line product for that, which is our Bio One shampoo. So you want to make sure you wash your hair 3 times using our Bio One line to make sure that the hair is properly cleansed and there is no barrier between the application of the hair extensions and the client's hair. This is called a book, so I'm holding the extension here. What we do to apply the extensions, pull up one tab, pull up the other tab, following the arrows. So I have my tool here, it's called a swan, and what that's going to help me do is just section the hair. I'm going to grab a section of hair that I'm going to put the next bond in, hold it, slide it up, pull the hair down, close it over, add a little pressure, grab my gripper tool, clamp it down, pull up one side of the tab, pull up the other side of the tab, hit it one more time with my crimper, bam, done.